I've chosen to make a course about render forest for 3 reasons. First of all, they make beautiful drawings inside their animation. Second, you can buy each animation one by one. And thirdly, you can make them for free. You can go inside here, make an animation, work on it as long as you want before you buy anything. There are no restrictions, just start for free. And once you have your animation ready, you know what you want to do with it, you pay $20 and you have a beautiful animation. That is a beautiful concept. You don't need a subscription, you just start looking for what you want. You can use ready-made templates and you can start from scratch. Let's have a look inside at how this works.
Do you run a business or startup and need an engaging explainer animation to promote your brand? But you don't have enough time and you don't want to waste thousands on video production? Introducing Explainer Video Toolkit, a powerful promotion tool with over 500 scenes to reach your marketing objectives and make your business grow. Compose your own.
Can you imagine that you are making this? You can, really, it's easy. Let's open it up and there are 3 choices. Add a scene, load a preset or add my script. If you load a preset, you get service promotion, social media promotion. You just choose one of these templates, fill in your own words, work on it. It's very easy. You can make it in a quarter of an hour and you have a beautiful animation for about $20. There are 2 other ways to do it. You can add a scene. So here are all the scenes organized by category. Group animations, background animations. So you can start from scratch. There's the third and new thing, and it is they make the animation for you based on your script. Add my script. I've added a short script. I say generate project. 8 scenes will be generated. Generate. Now I'm going to add a style. Standard version. Color. Leave it as it is. Music. It is already added a music and preview. Free preview. Let's have a look at one of the animations that I made for this course. As you can see, you can make beautiful animations very easily from a template, from part of all these beautiful drawings for $20 only. Get inside the course and let's have a look how to make animations like this.